Hey everyone, welcome back to my monthly bullet journal setup. So this is my Paperblanks Aurelia dotted softcover journal, and I have a thing for paper blanks. I kind of have a small collection of them, and when the dotted version came out, I obviously had to have it. And so this month too, just as in January, I'm using a Disney Princess Witch from ArtCrawl, from DeviantArt. If you're interested in last month's setup, here's the link. So, this month we celebrate St. Valentine's Day, and I thought Belle's drawing one was the one that represented February the best. And so I'm going to use her for my month cover. I mean, I think that she looks just gorgeous. So as you can see, the first page is the YouTube stats tracker. There's not much adding to add to it because the channel is brand new, but I'll still add it. It's just a good reminder for this new commitment that I've taken. Now, the symbol or object that represents Belle the most to me, and especially in this period of the year, is the rose. So that's going to be the main theme of this month planning, and I'm going to use watercolors to make it simple and delicate little roses. So my bullet journal is quite simple. I don't add a lot of pages, don't need a lot of trackers. I won't be using them anyways, even if I did put them. Um, so I like to have a general month overview where I put my appointments, general notes, and reminders. And this structure that I'm drawing now is actually what I've been using for the past years, actually, and I think it works great for me. And then we have the weekly overviews, which are mainly for classes and homework. So since I'm in university and the schedule changes every week, this is an easy way to keep track of it. On the left, I write the schedule down, and on the right, it's all the class-related to-dos, from homework to deadlines and group work plans. I usually set this up with a ruler straight lines and little to none decoration, but this month I want to try a more freestyle pattern and using metallic watercolors to see what the effect looks like, and I'm actually surprised by it. Like it really looks good. And then there's a habit tracker, which I'm going to try to keep up with. It's not guaranteed, but I'm going to try. And it's especially important for keeping track, obviously, of my studying, but also for example, my water changes of the aquariums I have. I don't always do them all at once, so it's not easy to remember which have been done when. So this is supposed to be a really useful tool to remember this. And then right next to it, I'm putting the mood and pain tracker. Having often headaches and stuff, it's good to keep track of the periodicity of that. And as last, I'm putting incomes and expenses tracker with regular expenses like car and house bills in separate columns, and then also a general column for general expenses. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time, and I'll leave you to the final flip through. Bye!